she goes right there, right there. Right there, guys.
Yep, coming right now.
Holy shit. There it is.
Right there, right there, right there, guys. Coming down. Right over Fairmont. It's on the ground, it's on the ground in Fairmont. Right there on the ground.
Right at my shop.
Yeah.
Holy
Look at it, look at it. There it is.
Gotta watch out on this sucker. She's got some pretty good spinning. Hey guys, we just got our first tornado all together.
The brief touchdown, but it's
Get a hold of the girls. Okay.
So,
Love you guys. Look at the cone, look at the cone.
okay.
Oh, the big one. Look at the fucking
Slow
cone.
down. We just need to turn on here.
Alright, boys.
Okay.
Where's Shane at? Call Shane. Shane's probably sitting goddamn.
Yeah, he's in the
Kind of lost visual of that cone.
Right there. So let's rope it down.
Where is before? Oh yeah, she's coming down. She's coming down. Alright guys.
Oh, there she comes good.
Yep.
That's a good one.
She's coming down good.
Come on boys, let me around you. Let me around you. That's over top of Shane's house. You're right, she's on the ground. See the debris on the ground?
Yep, yep, big debris. Get out of the way, guy. Hey, call the girls again. Tell them to get the hell there.
I did.
Okay.
I did. I told him to drop south.
Look at the debris. Look at the debris.
We gotta get back and go.
Get going. Get up to the highway.
And then we're trying to get close to the highway, guys. It's on us at the highway. We need to keep where we're at. We need to keep going.
Look at the debris again.
We need to keep paralleling it.